How to create business account on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are figuring out on how to switch your personal account to business account on Instagram, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will demonstrate you with easy steps that needs to be followed up in order to create a business account on Instagram. First and foremost, open up your Instagram application. At the bottom, tap on the circle with your profile picture. You will land on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Scroll down. Under the For Professionals section, tap on Account Type and Tools. Right here under Account Type, tap on Switch to Professional Account. So let's understand what actually happens when you turn on business account on Instagram. First is, you will get access to professional tools. Tap on Continue. Second is, you will get to learn about your followers. Tap on Continue. Third is, you can reach more people. Tap on Continue. And the final one is, you will get new contact options. Tap on Continue. You will get a pop-up asking for what best describes you. Right here, I will select Digital Creator and tap on None. This will take a little time. Over here, I will select Creator as I make content for my audience, not business. Then tap on Next. Click on OK. Then finally, tap on Not Now. Now it will ask you to set up your professional account. Either you can skip this part for later by tapping on cross icon at top, or you can set it up quickly if it's urgent to you. I will skip this part for the sake of video length. Give it a quick refresh and boom, you have successfully created business account on Instagram. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.